On today's video, we'll be doing fishing, off-roading, and camping in the Rocky Mountains. I have so much stuff on there, the seatbelt light's gonna go off. Definitely excited to do some fishing in the morning. Got some grasshoppers to use. I heard those are the best flies to use during fall. I'm excited. Excited to go fly fishing in the morning. Gonna go this way. Came here for the fall colors. Definitely get it. Oh, this looks like a good spot. Yeah. Do some cooking. We'll get the drone up and see if we can see any fall colors. I really don't know why, but there's a fire ban even though we had a lot of rain. Didn't bring no firewood or anything like that, just in case. Poop bucket, nice comfy chair. Perfect. Maybe next video I'll head up to like Aspen area or a different area where the leaves are even more popping than this. Only had a storm come through, knocked a lot of the leaves down. So if you're ever in Boulder, Colorado, and you want a good spot to do some off-road trails, easy spots to get to for camping, this is Sugarloaf Mountain, Switzerland trailhead, and it connects to Netherlands. So you can take this off-road trail all the way to Netherlands as well. A turkey bowl with Caesar, low-calorie Caesar dressing and Parmesan cheese and lettuce. Raspberry lemonade. Is that better? That's better. There we go. This I'll have to put away. That looks so much fun. I want to get a dirt bike. What is that? What is on me, brother? Hoodie and case, blankets are good. This is what I use. I use WeatherTech window covers and they work so amazing. Just noticed my mic's died, so hopefully the video's not ruined, but whatever, I can work around it. Got my nighttime clothes on, pajamas. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this sunset for a little bit more and then probably just watch like YouTube videos that I have downloaded, some map videos. Alright, I moved to a better spot. Look at this. This spot, there were just more people coming around that area, so I was like, I'll go further. I think down here's another spot. So I think I'm gonna go down there. Alright, that's better. I don't know how good you can see it with the GoPro. We got all the fall colors kind of all over there, up in there. It's so pretty. I'm so happy I went to the next spot. This spot's awesome. getting a little chilly. Think I'm gonna get in the 4Runner and lay down. We got a big day tomorrow morning. Try to do some fly fishing in the river. Just need to really rest my calf and my ankle. Hopefully it gets better. It's so dark in here. Gonna open up the windows a little bit just to let some light in. Need to figure out a way to have some good light back here. That's the only thing that sucks is when I get back in the 4Runner, I have no service. The reason why is because with my window coverings, it blocks the phone signal. That's the only thing that sucks about them.
So they don't have to rattling around all the time. Use like a special phone.
Ow! Got my sleepies on for the night. Got the fans going. Got Mav going, watching some Mav. My dad actually lives right next to Earthwormers headquarters, where they build the Earthwormers, and I would absolutely buy one of these one day. Maybe one day. Alright guys, I'm gonna head to bed and we're gonna get up in the morning and cook breakfast and go fishing. Good night, guys. Good morning, we're up. Time to go fishing. You wouldn't think this is good, but it's really good actually. It works. So good. Gotta get cleaned up so we can go fishing. And we're all cleaned up, packed to go. Let's go find our fishing spot. I love this spot. Has just tons of different places you can go camping. I probably could even get in this spot with a van, to be honest with you, like a Ram ProMaster. So this is a good area for camping. Can never get over this view though coming down. Back down this way. Easy. I think there might be some fish over that area. I don't know, this looks a little calmer in this area, so I figured the fish would be here. I don't see anything. I don't see any fishies. I'm not seeing any, so I'm gonna go further down where you could park and then you can actually walk through the river. So maybe I can get further up into some spots where maybe they are fish. I don't know, I don't really see any fish over here. So I think it'd be better if we go down further. Yep, fits. Watched Mav's new video when he got the Earthwormer. Well, obviously you guys know that. And he was catching fish left and right, and I'm like, I can't even catch what? Maybe it's the flies I'm using. I don't know, I don't see any fish over here either. I'll go over this way. I don't know if they're gonna go for it. I might go. Oh yeah, there he is, he's right there. He's right there, he went for it. He's looking at it. Here as much as I can before it gets too cold. So I'm gonna be coming out a lot actually. Gonna go for it again. I don't think he's gonna go for it again. on, buddy. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna fall for that again. He bites, but I can't hook him. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But practice makes perfect, right? Done for the day for fishing. I think I gotta head back to town. Salt. I can't get over this. Maybe, so the next couple days, maybe do a video in Rocky Mountain National Park. Also do camping up that way. And then I'm thinking of trying to go to Black Canyon of the Gunnison before they close. I don't know if I'm gonna have time. So hopefully I can get there before they close and do a fishing trip there and a video. That would be awesome. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, if you guys could please like and subscribe. These videos are just going to get better and better as I get back into the whole process of things. It's going to be pretty much camping and living out of vehicles, traveling as much as I can. It's going to be awesome. Thank you guys all for your supports, the ones who have liked and subscribed. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.